Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you kind of how to rank your product from the ground up. Alright guys, so this is kind of a new tool. I don't have an affiliate link to this or anything, but I saw this tool and the point of the video was to kind of show you guys this. And you only get like 2 or 3 free searches a day or something, if I understand correctly. I used all mine up yesterday. I wanted to make a video about it. So I waited until today to get going on this. So if you guys saw my last product research video, we found the product acrylic corner shelf, right? Will it pop up if I just do that? No. So we found this product, acrylic corner shelf, and it was this one right here that's doing really well. So what we liked about this product was that there's like no competition, right? There's really good price. This guy's doing, last time we checked, it's like about 8,000 a month. Yeah, 8,300, that was a week ago, so that is definitely consistent. And there's not really much competition, right, for this specific style, which is cool. There's like this, there's this, and then long story short, we ended up counting. We're not going to go too much in depth about the product right now. There's only like 10 listings, which is beautiful. There's not a lot of competition at all. So let's say that you launched this product, right? Maybe you got your version in from Alibaba and you wanted to start getting your product ranked. And now this will work for any product. I'm just using this as an example. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your top competitor, and we're going to take his ASIN. If you guys don't know, you could just grab that out of the URL. It always starts with a B. And it's usually between slashes, and we'll just put the ASIN right in here. So why don't we'll back up. This is helium 10 when you get to helium 10, and then you click on Cerebro right here. Plop the ASIN down, hit enter, and you're gonna do get keywords. And now it's searching. You can see this blue bar is going across. Once it shouldn't take long getting keywords. Yep, bang, done. And now it's going to pull up this new page here. Cool. So we see that is the correct product, right? That's their first picture. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to show you guys that I thought was really cool is it's going to show you everything. And now when you buy the upgraded version, I think we only have access to 50 keywords, right? But that's okay. It's enough to show you the tool. I don't even have the tool yet. I might buy it. It's like $40 a month if you just get this alone. I don't know. I'm using the free one for now. A lot of you will probably appreciate that. So organic rank over here. So what's so cool about that is that it's actually showing you relevant keywords. So it's saying, hey, Paul, or whatever your name is. I don't know why that pause was so long. It's going to show you organic rank. What that means is, so for these keywords right here, well, not all of those, but the ones with the 1, okay? Let me spit this out. He's ranked number 1 for all of those keywords. So top of page 1. And this is, he's going to be number 2 here, number 3. And this is my understanding. I'm not completely sure. I'm almost positive that that's number 1 on page 1, and that's number 2 on page 1, and that's number 3 on page 1. That's not like page 1, page 2, page 3. Almost positive. And that's what Adam said in this video. So what I did is I actually made a new PPC campaign from this tool, which I found very useful because you see, okay, who's crushing it in the game right now? Who's doing better than me? Since, this is, if you have a new product, a brand new product, if it just came in, you're looking for ways to rank it, or if it's been selling for a couple weeks, maybe even a month, and you're just trying to get more sales to your listing. So you can make a PPC campaign with all of these keywords. And now we know they're relevant keywords because like we said over here at rank, yeah, so that's actually the number in listings because there's not 71 pages for that. So he's the 71st listing that shows up for that with sponsored. So that makes sense. So yeah, these are actually in order. So you could see these are all of the keywords that he's ranking for organically and where he's at the top of the first page. So let's just check this out. Like if we did acrylic floating shelf, let's see if he's actually number 1 for that because Cerebro is saying this, and this will be interesting because I've never tested what it's saying like this. So I don't see his listing, which is interesting. I do not see his listing. Maybe, yeah, he's not even here. Cerebro, what's going on? Nonetheless, that is, maybe he's on page 2. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. Don't see it. Interesting. So maybe it's not completely accurate, but point I was trying to make is these are all relevant keywords. And if you could find relevant keywords, and this apparently says that he's ranking for it, even though maybe we'll try a different one. Acrylic corner shelf, we know that he's that one. Clear floating shelves. Let's try clear floating shelves. Maybe I just click on that. Yeah, again, he is not there, which is strange. Obviously, if we clicked on acrylic corner shelf, he's there. Yep. I'm just curious because maybe like a plexiglass shelves. Okay, he's not there for that one either. So, although we may be discrediting Cerebro's organic rank, yeah, so that's right here. That's, you could put 1 through maybe 40 there, so he's showing up on the first page. Don't know how accurate that is, but let's try one more. Maybe we'll try acrylic wall shelf. Hopefully he's ranked for that. Not seeing him. Okay. Wow. So maybe it's a good thing I didn't buy it. No, but the free version is cool. What I wanted to show you guys is because, you know, like this whole channel is rooted in me sharing my experiences. It was never anything more than that. We've all grown into this big happy community, which I love. But at the root of it, it's just I'm learning things, and every time I learn something, I show it to you. It's as simple as that, really. I'm just trying to provide value without asking for anything in return. So what I got out of this, the value that I got out of this, now that I'm showing you, is it's a new way to find keywords. So these are all very relevant, right? Vanity shelf, clear shelves, wall organizer shelf, makeup shelf, acrylic shelves, glass floating shelf. And now it's not glass, but it is clear. So these are all super relevant. And what I did is where did I do that? Export, and then CSV. And then it'll actually go right here. And then what I did is I just took all of these keywords and I put them into a PPC campaign. I called it Cerebro Top Competitors Campaign or something, right? And I just left it at suggested bid. It was a manual phrase campaign. So if someone typed in clear shelf, it would bid on that. And the way phrase works is if they put acrylic clear shelf, that would also work. Or if they put clear shelf pack or clear shelf 4 wall, that would also rank, right? So you're giving yourself a little bit of leeway. You take all these keywords and now you're going to bid for all of those. But also if someone puts a word in front of that or after that, it'll show up. And I've already made, how many sales did I make on that one? That campaign. It's not loading. 7 sales, and that was just from yesterday. And that's for one product. So that's why I got a little bit excited, was because I just tried this thing out, and it's a free software that anyone can access. You could literally just go to Helium 10. Let me just do it for you so I don't look like a liar. I put Helium 10. It'll correct itself. Helium 10. That's where, and then you do member login. You can make a free account. It says get my free account right there. And mine will just automatically sign me in. Or it'll just, stay on a white page and say dashboard. But that's that screen that you originally saw. You go to Cerebro and then you get this tool. And then a lot of people have been asking me about PPC. Now I'm going to have more videos coming on PPC specifically, but I just thought this was a cool tool. So using Cerebro to find, competitors' keywords for free that are super relevant, that they're all ranking for, maybe we just debunked that part. But point being, it's just another way to find relevant keywords. Now you might already have some of these keywords in another campaign. It's all good. You know, you could just set it to a little bit. I think my bid's only $10 for that campaign, which is not very much at all. $10 per day. I mean, so you know, I could run that for a week. Cost me less than $100 to do all this keyword research, and then by the end of that week, I'll weed out all the words that I'm just spending money on and not getting sales from, and I'll be left with the winners, right? So that's kind of what Amazon FBA is all about. It's just like kind of testing, right? That's my whole thing. It's just micro testing, testing products, testing campaigns, see what works, and then push that harder. That's where scaling comes in, right? Once you find, okay, every time, you know, once I get the top bid for acrylic corner shelf, every time I spend $10, I make 100 there. Let's set it to $150, $300, $300, $400, $500 a day budget, and like, let's just really scale this thing up, because I know it's going to be profitable. It has been in the past. I can only assume it will be as we scale upward, and you'll eventually hit a plateau. There's only so many customers, but point being, guys, if you have a product now, you're thinking about launching one, this might be a campaign you want to set up, right? So you could use this free Cerebro tool. I love free stuff. Everyone does. So anytime I find like a free little tool that I get excited about, show it to you guys. That's pretty much going to do it for today, guys. I just wanted to show you this little method that I found. Comment down below. Have you tried this before? Or if you're going to be trying it in the future. Also, if you haven't liked it yet and you watched this far in the video, please go give it a thumbs up. It helps a million. And also, you know, I got to do all my YouTube stuff. If you haven't already, you could jump into the course below. It's almost free. It's $5. It's actually the $5 minimum, but it's pay what you want course. So, you know, it's a full Amazon FBA course, over 8 hours of video content. We still have this month's promotion going. If you pay full price for the course, so if you pay $300, that's the retail price of the course. You don't have to. If you can't afford that, you don't have to. This isn't for everybody. But if you do, oh, got something in the oven. If you do, we gotta wrap this up. I don't want my food to burn. If you do get in there for $300, you'll get a free, not free, but it'll be included in the course call with me. I do coaching, but it's always sold out, and I know a ton of you are always wanting to get in there. So if that's something you'd be interested in, pay full price for the course. Not only do you get the course, but you'll be able to do a call with me, video call. We'll go over what's probably best for you going forward with Amazon. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Welcome. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.